This 2024 Alliance RV Avenue 37 MBR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.